Hi everybody, my name is Daisha and I do makeup, and in today's video we're going to be recreating some Bratz doll inspired makeup looks. So this is a picture I'm going to be using for reference today. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's just jump right into this video. Okay guys, it's voiceover time, and in today's video for brows, I'm just going to start off with this brow pencil. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to line underneath our brow just to get a sense of where our brow is at. And then after that, we're going to do some strokes of mimicking brow hairs. And towards the end, you want to make them darker, but towards the front, you want to make them lighter. Kind of like how I do here. I go back in and I make the lighter ones in the front really light so it looks natural. Then after that, I'm going to use a spoolie, and then I'm just going to comb out those brow hairs, and here's how they look when they're done. I used this tool and I used this concealer to get that effect on the brows. And then I used some e.l.f. Hydro Grip Primer, and then we're ready for makeup. So this is a foundation I'm using, and it's this e.l.f. Hydrating Foundation. And yeah, basically I'm really in love with this foundation, and I literally use it every single video, so that's how you know I really like it. But next up is concealer, and what I did for concealer is I put some concealer underneath my eyes to make them really pop out and stand out from the rest of your skin, and for brightening effects, etc, etc. I also put it on my chin, and I also put it on my nose, and I also put it on my forehead. Once the concealer is all blended out, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty contour, and I'm going to go ahead and work on my nose contour by using this really flat and skinny brush. This is how I've been doing it in like all my videos, so if you need a quick refresher on how to do that, you can check out any of my other videos. But just to sum it up, I'm just making my nose skinnier, and then I'm going in with a line in the middle, and then I just shrink down the middle of the nose and the tip of the nose just to make it look smaller. And I also put some contour on my forehead just like this to give the illusion that we have a smaller forehead. And then I go ahead and contour my cheekbones. Next up is blush, and I use this ColourPop liquid blush in the shade Angel Face. I literally love this blush. I've been using it all the time. I love liquid blush. I used to use cream blush, but I switched over to liquid blush, and I think it's much more easier to use. So I just do 3 little dots on each side, and then I go ahead and use this blending sponge and I blend it all out. And then after that, we are on to setting and baking, and I use this Maybelline Lasting Fix banana powder. Y'all, I love my banana powders. I say that every single video. But we're going to go ahead and bake on our jaw, kinda. So we're going underneath the contour, and we're going just like this. So we're cutting that. And this is honestly my favorite part. I love baking. I love setting. I love all of that. And while we're at it, while we're down there, I go ahead and set my chin, and I also set underneath my eyes. Now I'm just putting some powder on my forehead to set it and make it matte. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and make my nose matte by using this Fit Me Maybelline powder, press powder in the shade Buff Beige 130. And I use that on my nose, on the tip of my nose, and on the bridge of my nose, just to make it matte. And I feel like this is really important because you can't have your whole face matte and then have your nose really shiny. Then I'm going to use this Lottie London Ready Set Go banana powder, and I use that to bake underneath my eyes. Baking is literally my favorite part. I cannot say that enough. I love baking underneath my eyes. Now we're going to go ahead and dust off the powder, and look at the fact that it's getting in my hair, bro. Why didn't I notice that? But make sure you dust that off, and make sure you dust it off on your jaw as well. Next up is eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using this e.l.f. eyeshadow primer, and then I go ahead and put that on my eyelids. And this is just to make sure that the eyeshadow really locks in. I really like this product because it genuinely works And then after I blend that out, I use some of the pressed powder that I used earlier on my nose. I use that on top of the eyeshadow primer. And this makes it so it like sticks really well. This combo, like my eyelids have literally never creased. So for this look today, I put the picture down in the corner. And so for the eyes, they're this really nice lilac purple color. And then as you can see, there's this darker purple color. So I go in with a light purple. And then as you can see, here is the darker purple that I use, sorry. I use that in the outer corner. And then I go ahead and just blend that inwards toward my inner corner. And off camera, I didn't film this. I went ahead and mimicked the look, how after the dark part, there's also a light part. So on top of that, I did that, but it's just not in the video because I forgot to record it. Sorry. Now it's time for eyeliner. So in my waterline, I do some white eyeliner towards the inner corner, and then towards the outer corner, I use some black eyeliner. And I poked myself so many times. Oh my gosh. I also did a wing on both of my eyes off camera, and now I do the highlighter, and this is literally one of my favorite parts because I love how it just like brings this look to life. So I put it on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my inner corners, and I also do it underneath my brows because you can see there is some brow highlight in the photo in her eye makeup. And then after that, after I put all the highlighter down, I go ahead and blend it out with my finger. And honestly, sometimes blending out makeup with your finger is like the best thing to do. So that's what I do here. And after the highlighter, I'm just like so amazed. It just literally changes this look. And next up is the eyelashes. So these are these fake lashes that I am putting on. And then after that, we're almost done. It is time for the lips. So I use some lip liner. It's just this kind of reddish brownish color. Now I'm going to do the lip gloss because as you can see in the photo, the Bratz doll has like this really kind of nudish lip. So I'm using this NYX Butter Gloss. Alright everybody, here is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you want more videos like this, doing like makeup inspired by blank. Yeah, I really enjoyed this video. I'm really satisfied with how this look turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.